He's probably like, what the fuck is she doing? Hola, hola, hola. Oh, I am doing an overnight shift tonight. And there's gonna be a snowstorm. Lucky me. By the time I leave work at 6:30 in the morning, this whole place is gonna be filled up. Look at it now. It's already sticking. I don't think the snow is gonna stop till tomorrow. Like, they say tomorrow afternoon, so the snow is gonna be crazy. Oh my god, I hope it's not too bad where I have to do shoveling out of my car. I know I'm definitely gonna have to clean off my car, but I hope I don't have to shovel it out or anything, because I hate that. Wow. It's about to be a winter wonderland. I'm waiting for the bus now. It says the bus is coming at 8:08, but hopefully it comes earlier than that. It's gonna be a snowstorm as soon as I'm doing the overnight shift. That irks me so much right now, because I agreed to this overnight shift before I knew there was gonna be a snowstorm. So, but whatever. Like I said, it's overtime. That's the only reason. Shoot, I got bills to pay. It's overtime work, so yeah. It's really snowing out.
I want to. Check me out, like, hey, every time I look out, I'm on my lookout, cause niggas tripping, no I ain't hoping, no sense in voting for politicians, all of that hating, don't be creating, food in my kitchen, all of that talking, without no walking, can't help my vision, when I step out, and put my neck out, they try to play me, so I don't go out, without my blowout, brought that 380, all of my brothers, pray for their mothers, cause I can't tame them, got no answer, can't kill their cancer, how can you blame them, I was hoping, I could be open, with all my feelings, but not fuck it, I take that bucket, without no ceilings, I've been praying, but I ain't saying that I ain't stressing, I ain't moping, cause I'm just hoping I learn my lesson. I need G's for all my G's, so could you please try? Off your knees and on your P's, don't let your dreams die. I plant my seed to fill your need, to get your brain food. If you like me, the shit you see, will give you strange moods. So I'm just praying for answers, I know they hiding the truth from us. For protection, I know they plotting on newcomers. Right through the city, my reefer reeking, my speaker speaking, my conscience stressing.
Just made it to Manhattan. Walking to work now. Oh, it's still snowing. Hopefully, the burger spot that I like is open. I'm hungry, and I really like that burger though. So, let's see. Change of plans. I'm getting Chick-fil-A.
But I be knowing that he be tweaking. Say I was thinking this weekend we get to Lincoln, roll some of that good in the wood and we fought the Lincoln, She understanding my language, I think she speaking well. She ease the pain on my brain, it's causing my people hell. And since you looking, I'm looking, maybe we find a way to put your heart to the surface and put your mind away. They dropped us here on a dying planet without permission. No pot to piss and trying to offer you proposition.
I made it. The tiredness hasn't kicked in yet, but it will soon. But yeah, I'm starting my shift. It is 10:25 p.m. I'm gonna be here till 6:30 a.m. I ate my Chick-fil-A, and I bought a mac and cheese. I ate a little bit, but I'm gonna save it for, I know I'm gonna get hungry at some point in the night. So I have that just in case. I'm full anyway. Yeah, like I said, the tiredness hasn't kicked in yet, but yeah. All right, you too.
What about my struggle? Be funny, they call it entertaining. Niggas got them snakes in they huddle, watch who you entertaining. All about my freedom, so I'ma need them to come correct it. Thinking I'm your enemy, all your energy misdirected. I shed a tear for my people, I struggle to be connected. I got that call from my cousin, I'm glad we reconnected. Why they always hating on moves we making and trying to slow 'em? Wish I could give you that reason, but I don't need.
One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I'm on my lookout, cause niggas tripping. No, I ain't hoping, no sense in voting for politicians. All of that hating, don't be creating. Food in my kitchen, all of that talking without no walking. Can't help my vision when I step out and put my neck out. They try to play me so I don't go out without my blowout. Brought that 380, all of my brothers pray for their mothers, cause I can't tame them, got no answer. Can't kill their cancer, how can you blame them? I was hoping I could be open with all my feelings, but not fuck it. I take that bucket without no ceilings. I've been praying, but I ain't saying that I ain't stressing, I ain't moping, cause I'm just hoping I learn my lesson. I need G's for all my G's, so could you please try? Off your knees and on your P's, don't let your dreams die. I plant my seed to fill your need to get your...
It's currently 6:02 a.m. Got about 30 minutes left, or earlier, if you come early. And the snow has not stopped at all. At all. It's been snowing all night. I can only imagine how it's gonna be when I get actually home. But the trains are still running normally, so that's good. I am so tired, I am so exhausted. I cannot wait to get home. You don't even understand, like, I just wanna take a shower and get in my bed. Let's see how the snow is gonna be in the next few hours. I am out of work. Unfortunately, I'm out of work late. He came at 6:45. I'm supposed to get off at 6:30. I'm upset about that, but whatever. At least I'm out. Let's go. Early. Oh, but it is crazy out here. It's crazy. Like, look at the snow is deep. I gotta walk on the street because the sidewalks is deep. This is crazy. It hasn't snowed like this in a while. Last year, I don't even think we had a snowstorm like this. Oh my goodness. This is what I came home to. If you live in New York and you drove today, you're bugging. Anybody who drove today, they're bugging. Because it's crazy out here. Let's see how my car is looking. I actually thought my car would have more snow on it. But it's not as bad as I thought it would be. Okay. This is manageable. I think it's mostly because of the wind. The wind is blowing, see? The wind is blowing a lot of the snow off. That's why it's not as bad. I should be going to sleep, but I'm just trying to make my life easier when I wake up. Because even though the snow is still coming down, it won't be like piled on like from what I came to. Look how deep this is. Look how deep my feet are. This is crazy. When they say blizzard, they wasn't playing. Okay, I'm done. Let's see how I look when I wake back up. This is how deep the snow is right now. This is crazy. Oh, the wind! The wind! Oh, look at this. The wind is crazy. Oh, the wind. Yeah, I'm documenting this because it hasn't snowed like this in a while. Oh my goodness. That was crazy. I'll catch y'all in the house. Oh my gosh. I gotta let my coat dry. I gotta leave these boots out here. Alright. Oh man. When I tell you the top of my pants are wet, I was exposed. Man. It's crazy out there. Oh my God. You don't understand how glad I am to be home. That weather? Oh my goodness. Oh man. I'm cold in the face or whatever, but that is crazy. I'm so glad to be home. I am about to take a shower, wash my face, and go to bed. If I'm ending the video here, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. I'm about to sleep my life away. Bye. Later. So this is the aftermath of the snow. Guess I'm not driving tomorrow because I am not shoveling this now. I'm really gonna have to take public transportation for my Sunday shift because I'm not shoveling. I'm not doing that. But yeah, that's how it's looking.
Said I feel sick.